Once upon a time, there was a dense forest. The forest was pure and green. It held many beautiful lives. Tweet, 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 coo, coo. In the distance, there was a village. Very few people lived in the village. One day, a woodcutter from the city came to the forest to cut some trees. He came with an axe and very evil intentions. Tuck! The first tree went down. The whole forest was cleared. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Dark clouds came in the blue sky. The man was confused. It wasn't supposed to rain today. Lightning roared. Boom! Then a voice said, "You have destroyed my creation. Now you need to pay the price." The man was confused. He looked right, then left. He looked back, then forward. He looked up. Looks like the voice came from the sky. It seemed that Mother Nature spoke out. It started raining. Tup, tup, tup. Then very heavily. Shh! That the man had to hide in the village. But the village wasn't strong enough. It was raining so heavily that it flooded the village. Everybody died. Mother Nature is asking you all to respect and protect all her creations.